Workana Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Workana, a popular freelance platform that connects businesses with skilled freelancers across Latin America and beyond. Links to Workana and relevant resources are available in the description below. Workana is designed for professionals in various industries, including tech, design, marketing, writing, and more. It's an excellent platform for freelancers who want to work remotely and businesses looking for flexible, project-based talent. One of the standout features of Workana is its focus on the Latin American market. While it's available internationally, it caters specifically to the needs of freelancers and businesses in Latin America, which can be an advantage for those seeking localized opportunities. The platform supports a wide range of freelance jobs from short-term gigs to long-term projects, making it ideal for both entry-level freelancers and experienced professionals. Workana offers a user-friendly interface that allows freelancers to create detailed profiles showcasing their skills and experience. The platform also has a bidding system where freelancers can submit proposals for posted jobs. This gives freelancers the chance to compete for projects and stand out by offering tailored proposals and competitive rates. Clients can easily view freelancer profiles, reviews, and ratings, making the selection process more transparent. The platform offers several payment protection features, such as secure payment methods and the ability to track the project's progress, ensuring both freelancers and clients are on the same page throughout the project. Workana also provides a messaging system that allows seamless communication between freelancers and clients, which is crucial for project success. Overall, Workana is a solid choice for freelancers, particularly those in Latin America, looking for diverse job opportunities. With its user-friendly interface, bidding system, and localized focus, it provides a great platform for freelancers to find projects and clients to access skilled talent. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information, and feel free to share your thoughts on Workana in the comments.